What if I told you that 2 simple drinks you can make at home for pennies could actually help your body burn fat faster, lower insulin, and even start healing from the inside out?
There's green tea, coffee. Both of them are great during fasting, and they're not going to affect you in terms of weight loss.
Dr. Jason Fung is a Canadian physician and fasting expert, best known for his books The Obesity Code and The Diabetes Code. He's helped thousands of people lose weight and reverse type 2 diabetes by focusing on insulin control instead of just counting calories. To understand why these drinks are effective, you first need to understand insulin. Insulin is the hormone that regulates whether your body stores energy or burns it. High insulin means your body is in storage mode, locking fat away. Low insulin means your body can finally access fat for fuel. Dr. Jason Fung emphasizes this point repeatedly. Weight gain is primarily a hormonal problem, not simply a calorie problem. If we want to burn fat, we must focus on lowering insulin and improving insulin sensitivity. The right drinks don't just quench thirst, they can directly influence insulin, hunger hormones, and fat metabolism. That's why coffee and green tea deserve special attention. Quick note, this video is for education only, not medical advice. If you've got health concerns or plan to change your diet or lifestyle, check with your doctor first. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Number 1. Green tea.
There's green teas, there's black teas, and there's herbal teas. Herbal teas are not true teas, but they're things such as mint leaves or hibiscus or chamomile, for example. So green teas are from the unfermented tea leaves, and black teas are fully fermented. Both of them are great during fasting, and they're not going to affect you in terms of weight loss.
Green tea has been cherished for centuries, not just as a calming daily ritual, but as a powerful ally for health and longevity. What sets it apart is its rich supply of antioxidants called catechins, especially one-star compound, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG helps fire up your metabolism and boost fat oxidation, which simply means your body gets better at tapping into stored fat and using it as fuel. That's why green tea is so often tied to faster, more sustainable weight loss. But there's more to the story than calories. Green tea also plays a role in balancing insulin, the hormone that decides whether your body stores fat or burns it. High insulin levels push the body towards storage mode. Green tea helps smooth out those spikes, making it easier for your system to shift into fat-burning gear. Add in its gentle dose of caffeine, and you get a clean, steady lift in energy and metabolism without the edgy crash that can come with coffee.
Things like green tea, well, the risk is just very low. So why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you try and push up your consumption of green tea if that's what's worrying you? Your risk? Almost zero, right? Some of these other compounds that people will sell you, perhaps not. But that's the thing, is to try and take these things which are sort of don't have a lot of risk associated with it, that might have some potential benefit, and then take it to, and they're not all easy, like getting to a normal weight, getting rid of your type 2 diabetes. That's not easy stuff, right? It's a job in itself. So it's not that I'm saying, oh, drink more green tea. That might be part of it, but some of it may be a lot more so losing weight's not easy. Getting off of insulin by reversing type 2 diabetes, that's not easy. So some of that is a lot of work, but could have potential huge benefits, not just for the cancer, but for your overall health.
The benefits don't stop at weight management. Thanks to its powerful antioxidants, green tea helps calm inflammation and shields your cells from oxidative stress, the kind of damage linked to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. It also supports your liver, sharpens brain function, and brings a sense of calm focus thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxed alertness. Just 2 to 3 cups a day are enough to make a real difference. And if you want to take it up a notch, matcha, the concentrated powdered form of green tea, packs an even higher dose of EGCG and antioxidants. Number 2. Coffee.
Coffees are good, and it contains a lot more caffeine than teas. So some people find it very useful, and also a lot of people are very addicted to or used to having coffee in their system.
Coffee isn't just a morning ritual to help you wake up. It's actually one of the most effective natural drinks for burning fat. The magic comes from caffeine, which stimulates your central nervous system and gives your metabolism a boost. Once it's in your system, caffeine signals the body to release adrenaline. That adrenaline tells your fat cells to break down stored fat and release it into the bloodstream to be used as energy. This process, called lipolysis, is one of the main ways coffee helps you burn fat more quickly. But the benefits don't stop there. Coffee also improves insulin sensitivity, which is key for keeping blood sugar stable and preventing excess fat storage. When insulin levels are balanced, your body can tap into fat reserves more easily instead of holding on to them. If you practice intermittent fasting or follow a low-carb diet, black coffee can make fat burning even more effective by enhancing the benefits of fasting. Coffee also happens to be one of the richest sources of antioxidants in the modern diet. These compounds calm inflammation, protect your cells from oxidative stress, and help lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. On top of that, studies show coffee supports liver health, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. And of course, there's the brain boost. Regular coffee drinking has been linked to sharper focus, a better mood, and even a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. To get the most out of it, stick to black coffee without added sugar or heavy cream and aim for about 2 to 4 cups a day. That way, you enjoy all the fat burning and healing benefits without overdoing the caffeine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more simple, science-backed tips for burning fat and healing your body, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried green tea or coffee for fat burning? Drop your experience in the comments below. I read every one. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep moving toward a healthier, stronger you. See you in the next video.